In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a headset to Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. Whether you've just purchased a brand new headset or you're setting up one you already own, this guide will help you configure it so you can enjoy seamless communication in your Teams meetings. First, let's start by connecting your headset. You'll need to make sure your device recognizes it, whether it connects via USB, Bluetooth, or through the 3.5mm audio jack. Before diving into Microsoft Teams, double check that your headset is properly connected and recognized. If you're on a Windows device, navigate to Settings, then choose System, followed by Sound. Under Input Devices, you should see your headset listed. If you're on a Mac, go to System Settings, followed by Sound, and check under Input. This preliminary step ensures your headset is ready to use. Once your device acknowledges your headset, let's proceed by opening Microsoft Teams. Launch the Teams app and find your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access a drop-down menu, then select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Devices section. It's time to customize the settings according to your new headset. In the Devices menu, navigate to Audio Devices. In this section, you'll see different options, including your speaker settings. You'll want to make sure that from the drop-down menu, your newly connected headset is selected as the default device. As a precaution, try speaking into the microphone. You should see the microphone level bar move, indicating that it's functioning correctly. Now that we have selected and tested the headset, let's make sure everything is aligned perfectly with a quick test call. Still within the device's settings, look for the option labeled Make a Test Call. This test will allow you to record a short message and then play it back to hear the sound quality. If the audio level doesn't meet your expectations during the test call, feel free to go back and adjust your system's input volume, or consider switching to another headset if necessary. Once you have ensured that everything sounds perfect, you are ready to use your headset in actual Teams meetings. From now on, whenever you join calls or meetings using Microsoft Teams, your headset will automatically be the default device for both incoming and outgoing audio, providing you with a streamlined communication experience. By following these steps, you can enjoy clear communication in your Teams meetings, ensuring you can hear and be heard without interruption. Now that you've set up your headset with Microsoft Teams, you're all set to dive into meetings with confidence. Thanks for watching.